Welcome. This video guides you through opening the fuel filler door on your Volkswagen Scirocco III from 2008 to 2017. This model uses a simple, reliable mechanical system. We'll cover the step-by-step process for easy refueling. This video focuses on gasoline-powered models. The fuel filler door release lever is located inside the car on the driver's side. Look for a lever on the door panel near the seat adjustment controls, marked with a fuel pump icon. Some UK models might have it on the dashboard, but for most vehicles, it's positioned by the seat. To unlock the fuel filler door, gently pull the release lever downwards. You should hear a click or pop, indicating the door has been released. The mechanism is purely mechanical, so no power is needed. If it's stuck, don't force it. Walk to the fuel filler door on the passenger side rear of the vehicle. Gently press the center of the fuel filler door. It's spring-loaded and should pop open. If it doesn't, try pressing slightly harder or check for ice or debris. With the fuel filler door open, you'll see the fuel cap. Twist it counterclockwise to remove. Some caps are locking. Use your key if required. Place the cap in a safe spot to avoid losing it or getting it dirty. Refuel your Scirocco III with unleaded gasoline rated 9195 octane for optimal engine performance. Insert the nozzle into the tank opening and begin filling slowly. Avoid overfilling to prevent fuel spillage. Once complete, remove the nozzle carefully and secure the fuel cap. Replace the fuel cap and turn it clockwise until it clicks, ensuring it's securely fastened. Then, close the fuel filler door. It should latch automatically. Make sure it's fully closed to prevent fuel vapor leaks. If the fuel door becomes stuck, particularly in cold weather, gently use a hairdryer to thaw any frozen components. Avoid high heat to prevent damage. For preventive care, lubricate the door hinges and cable mechanism periodically. This ensures smooth opening and closing. Never force the door open, as this can break the release cable or damage the latch. If it won't open, inspect the mechanism carefully. Regular maintenance keeps the fuel door working properly. Remember, traditional gas tank designs are becoming less common as electric vehicles replace them.